This video is about freeze drying. Here's an overview of what this video will cover. Freeze drying is also known as lyophilization. It is a process that removes solvent from a material. It is used when excessive damage to proteins, blood, microorganisms needs to be prevented. A brief account of what happens during freeze drying is liquid solution or suspension is frozen, and the surrounding pressure is reduced. Finally, sublimation occurs and water sublimate from solid phase into gaseous phase. There are a few principles behind freeze drying. The first principle behind one of the steps of freeze drying is sublimation. At constant pressure, temperature increasing would melt ice into liquid water and liquid water to evaporate into vapor. The second principle behind freeze drying is the triple point. Triple point is the special point in the relationship between pressure and temperature where solid and liquid phase of water can exist together. Freeze drying occurs at pressure and temperature below the triple point. Solid vaporize into water vapor directly. A freeze dryer consists of 5 main components. Shells act as heat exchanger using shell fluid exchanger and removes heat from the product during freezing. Supplies heat to the product during drying stages of the product. Chamber provides an appropriate condition for freeze drying. The chamber's temperature and pressure is controlled by a control system. The refrigeration system freezes the product before freeze drying occurs. The vacuum is applied during drying process and removes solvent. The condenser collects solvent from the drying process.